What are some of the greatest marketing strategies used by companies? Yeah. I think controversy works exceptionally well. And it's free marketing. And I'll give you some examples. So Mark Benioff, who is the founder of the largest employer here in San Francisco, a wonderful human being and a great humanitarian. So Mark Benioff started a company called Salesforce.com in 1999. And I remember meeting with him before they went public, after they went public, et cetera. I invested in the company. It's an amazing company. But what Mark did early on, and by the way, he was a rock star as a kid too. When he was 26, he was the youngest vice president in Oracle history. He left Oracle to start Salesforce. What he did was he decided that traditional software is dead, like bloated software you run on your computer, because cloud computing is more intelligent of a way to distribute software because you get automatic upgrades and we never realize it. And so traditional software was dead. And when he created Salesforce, it was a cloud company and nobody knew what the cloud was at the time. But what he did was his logo, beside his logo, he had the word software with a line crossed through it. And he said software is dead. And it was brilliant because it was somewhat controversial and correct and ahead of its time. And so he ended up getting a ton of interviews on television, newspapers, etc. And you can read his book called Above the Clouds, where he talks about many principles on why he became successful. One of them is controversy and making friends with many different people in the media. And so he was so controversial in a good way and so engaging and passionate in his delivery that a lot of people interviewed him. And so he got free publicity. He still does it now on CNBC, I think, with Jim Cramer, etc. So that's what he did. Now, I think the best way to get marketing for your company for free is to network a lot, okay? And be somewhat controversial too. And I have a book. It's a free book, which you can download for free, which teaches you everything you need to know about networking. So you can get meetings with people that work at various media publications. It's easy to do. Again, you can get it for free. Go to my website to download it. It's haruneducation.com. I promise you this networking stuff works. And it's free. It's free. So I want you to network to meet people that work in the media that you have something in common with. And I promise you can get these meetings. Again, read the book. It's over 200 pages with several hours of YouTube videos that are clickable from within it. And it works. I put my reputation on live. So I want you to take Mark Benioff's methodology of controversy in a good way. Controversy, leveraging the media. And I want you to couple that, so to speak, with my teachings on networking, which is free back there. I promise you it'll help.